puro mali ang nakikita. If your new hire is hearing more corrections than encouragement, what's happening? If this sounds familiar, hindi ka nag-iisa. There's a business owner na tawagin nating Jason. Now, meron siyang bakery na may 2 branches, a former OFW from Europe, so si Jason came home with high standards. Nag-hire siya ng bagong baker's assistant. Batang-bata, eager, and willing to learn. Si Jason naman ay hands-on during the first week. So he stood behind the new hire, watching every move. Hindi ganyan ang paghahalo. Ang dami mong nilagay. Maling temperature yan. Bakit ang bagal mo? Every hour, another correction. And Jason thought he was teaching. Pero ang dating sa new hire, wala na siyang ginawang tama. Kaya by the 3rd day, the new hire was afraid to move. He second-guessed everything. He slowed down even more because he was scared of another correction. Lalo na naging frustrated si Jason at sabi niya, "Bakit ka nagtatagal? Simple lang naman yan." The new hire lasted 8 days. He did not even finish 2 weeks. He just stopped showing up. Hindi na niya kinolect yung sahod niya. So Jason told his wife, "Wala talagang matitino. Tamad ang generation ngayon. Pero anak, alam mo, ang real issue, hindi katamaran. The new hire was overwhelmed. Too many corrections, too fast, with no encouragement in between. Ang lesson, when all a new hire hears is what they are doing wrong, they stop trying. Confidence dies before competence can grow. Nobody stays where they only feel small, di ba? Always remember, be business-minded, Pinoy.